This is the mannerism of American men acting like everything's a problem in America, especially a camera.
Right.
Is that down or no?
Oh yeah, bro. No, that's accurate, bro. That's accurate as fuck.
If that lady comes out here, I'm gonna ask her why she's smoking while she's pregnant. That's
Oh, and smoking on the job. A lot of the security guards aren't supposed to smoke while they're working, like while in uniform.
Oh no.
In fact, it's most security guard company policy. They hadn't even made an attempt.
Hello, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I'm Tony with Frito-Lay. Montez. This is Richard. We're just wanting to find out kind of what you guys are doing out here just for safety reasons. You know, to look out. We want to make sure you guys are being safe and just kind of find out what you're doing.
Anything?
Nothing? Okay.
Sala mihala. Sala. Sala.
Come again. The recording assistant. The recording assistant.
Hey guys, we're back. We just want to let you guys know that it's kind of created an unsafe environment, so we did have to call the police department. Just let you guys know they are on their way. So we just want to make sure you guys are aware. The situation and what it's creating for our drivers and our guard shack employee down here. So we just wanted to keep you guys informed. So we've notified the employees, okay, of the sheriff's department.
Salamela. There we go, the second walk machine and the second crybaby call for help. There it is. Boom.
So it's PD.
No, it's not. It's the sheriff.
Oh, it is. Let's see if he gets his spot. Hey guys. Quick question for y'all.
We got a phone call from the security here asking why you guys were filming. All I'm doing is to make sure you're okay. You're not trying to hurt them. You're not trying to go into their... You all good? I have a legal reason to come talk to you guys.
Are you on drugs, man?
I'm not on drugs.
It looks like you're on drugs, man.
I'm not. What's your
Why
name,
are
sir?
you drinking Red Bulls or what?
No.
Why are your
What's
eyes
your name, sir?
dilated?
Where's your mask at?
Okay, I can go grab a mask, but I still have a legal reason to talk to both of you. And you're not really
Am I
helping me
detained?
out. You will be in a second.
I don't think so, man.
Okay, because you're here, they're asking questions in reference to the business and why you're videoing them.
That's none of
Come on
your
now.
business, and it's none of their business, man.
It is their business. This
No,
is their
it's not.
process.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
The
not.
property extends all the way to the curtilage to the roadway.
Negative.
It sure does.
This is the public sidewalk, man.
Okay. Why are you guys filming them?
It's none of your business, man. Stop
Okay.
trying to tie us up. Get
I'm
the
not
hell
trying
out of
to.
here, man. We don't want to talk to you.
You have a reason why you're filming them.
I have a reason, but I'm not going to tell you anything.
Okay. You have an ID so I can identify you guys. I have a legal reason to stop and talk to you.
Which is?
They called because you're filming them. So they're afraid for their safety, and I'm talking to you.
No, get your supervisor out here,
it's
man. You're very
called-
uneducated. You must be a rookie.
Okay, so you guys want to be detained?
You must be a rookie,
Okay.
man.
11/35 Focus off that.
You must be a rookie.
That's fine.
Your eyes are a little bloodshot. Have you been drinking tonight?
No, sir. Stand by on the additional. Okay.
So, it's
So both of
photography
you
a
will be
crime?
detained. Go ahead and place your things down. No. Place your things
For
down.
what crime?
I'm detaining you so I can figure out what's going on.
For what, man?
Stop resisting. Give me your hands. I'm going to place this with my partner. There you go.
We're on a public sidewalk, exercising our First Amendment.
That's fine.
There's nothing that we're doing is illegal. I'm sorry?
Who are you guys with?
Don't answer any questions, man.
There you go.
Call them.
You're being detained so I can figure out what's going on. You're not really helping me
We're not
out.
doing anything illegal. We're on a public sidewalk.
Okay, do you have your ID on you, sir?
Who are you guys with?
Okay, what's your
So
name?
then why is he being detained?
Am I under
Who are you
arrest?
guys with?
You're being
I'm
detained.
not answering questions.
Identify yourself, sir. Do you have any weapons on you? Okay, let's put them back. Watch him.
Yep.
You got your ID on you, sir?
Do you have your name and badge number for me, please?
Gonzalez.
And what's your badge number,
George
please?
7665.
Thank you, ma'am. You're actually a lot more professional than this officer here.
Well, if you guys would cooperate. he
Cooperate
wouldn't be in
with
that-
what? We don't have
he
to answer
asked
any
for his
questions.
ID, he asked for his name. He asked
What
for yours.
crime have we committed?
It doesn't matter when we ask.
It doesn't.
There
Yeah,
you go.
it does matter. You guys don't believe in the First Amendment? Wow.
Here, you can hold this.
Oh, like that?
Yes. I don't want to be responsible for your equipment.
This officer thinks that we have a right to ID for not committing any crime. And the same thing for the tyrant back there, handling SUV. So it's like that.
Sir, I'm going to ask you again for your identification. Otherwise, you will be detained as well. Do you have any ID on you?
Negative.
Okay.
Well,
And
let
that's
me
my
put this
partner.
down.
And
She
that's
handed it back to me, so.
You got any weapons on you?
Pepper spray, that's all.
Pepper spray? Have you ever been arrested for probation, anything like that?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Are you allowed to have pepper spray?
Yes. It's in my backpack.
Alright guys, we were just detained by the sheriffs here. As you guys can see, they had us in the back of the car detained. My wrists are all jacked up. I'm documenting this so we can file a complaint. Look at this. What's the big deal, man? This is how you treat people? Hey, sir, sir. Yo. Yo. Hey, man. Hey, I need your name and badge number.
Especially you, fucking asshole. This fucking prick right here.
Hey, man. Give me the
Violate
incident
people's
number.
rights on the daily, fucking asshole.
Yo.
Fucking pussy. Hey, fuck you. Back inside. Fucking handcuffs anymore, bitch. Fuck back inside. You get back to fucking work.
Later, pussy. Hey, so that's how you treat people here at Frito-Lay? You call the cops on them, huh? You try to get them arrested? We didn't even go on your driveway, you fucking liars.
Fucking pussies.
You guys lie to get us arrested? You guys are trash. We're gonna make sure and expose you now. We're putting this on the news. Congratulations, dipshit. Now we're gonna come back with 100 photographers.
And 100 more flashlights, assholes. Fucking pussies. That's right. Fucking walk away, assholes. Fucking pussies. Yeah, keep fucking walking.